Hello guys, welcome back to Chocho 2025. Have you ever updated ComfyUI or install new custom node only to have half your custom nodes break with import failed error? This happens when one custom node secretly downgrades a crucial file, like the transformers library, sabotaging your entire setup. Today, I'm going to pull back the curtain and show you the secret debugging method to become a ComfyUI detective. You'll learn exactly how to find the single line of code that broke your installation and how to fix it permanently. Here's my problem. I updated and my transformers version was upgraded to 4.56.1. But when I restarted, a custom node forced a downgrade to 437.1. Suddenly, after I try using them or restart the ComfyUI custom nodes like TeaCache, MimicMotionWrapper, CogVideoXWrapper, ControlNeXt-SVD, CatVTOnWrapper, ComfyUI-Easy-Use, and ADMotionDirector stopped working because their imports failed. We need to find the culprit. Most custom nodes execute their initialization script silently. To find the one downgrading our system, we need to make ComfyUI talk. To understand how ComfyUI start, go to your main ComfyUI folder and open main.py file in Notepad or other text editor. This is the first Python file that run when you turn on the bat file. Its first step is to define custom path and run ComfyUI startup script. Next, you need to notice that it is importing nodes.py. It means this file will be executing when it called, and all the function is now available to use for the script below it. Next, we see here that a function called start ComfyUI. So let's see that function. It actually has a looping that called function init extra nodes in nodes.py file for each custom node. So let's access that file. Find the function called init extra nodes, and in this function there is actually another function that called init external custom nodes. This is the script that run each custom node initialization script. So check this function. Inside this function, we will insert a line to print the name of the module that is currently executing its script. Show the exact line of code here. Print, checking module. Possible module, save the file and restart ComfyUI. Now, watch the command prompt when ComfyUI starts up. There it is! In my case, the node that downgraded the transformer was the ComfyUI-Image2prompt custom node. Now that we know the culprit, let's fix it. Access the custom node folder, ComfyUI-Image2prompt in this case, and open the fdas.indo.py file. We check the code. This script forces the old version, likely because the node itself was only tested with that specific version. You have two options: delete the problematic script. You can comment out or delete the lines of code that perform the downgrade. This allows the node to run with your updated transformer version, though it might cause instability in that specific node. Or remove the node entirely. Since I don't currently need this custom node, I'll opt to remove it. Because I installed it manually and not through the manager, simply deleting the folder works. Finally, we must re-update the transformers version as it's still stuck on the old version. Restart ComfyUI one last time. As you can see, the transformer version remains updated this time, and everything is working fine, including mimic motion. That's how you fix dependency conflicts in ComfyUI. Understanding what happens during custom node initialization allows you to debug almost any error. I hope this helped you take control of your installation. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and comment. See you again on the next episode.